Wow. Another traditional food, dried fish, we call Pitsik. The fish was caught by a friend and they prepared it themselves. The Arctic char is in the family of salmon, so let's eat it together. You just take off the piece like this from the skin. It slides off perfectly. And if you want, you can eat the skin as well.
It was cut diagonally so it can dry faster.
It's really tasty, so we don't add much seasoning, but we do put some salt, whichever seasoning you prefer. I used to eat this all the time in my childhood.
It's true.
So good.